Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing and setup video for the Raven original scanner. This is a nice document scanner that you can use to digitize all your documents. It's nice because it works for the home and it doesn't have to be connected to your computer. So when you first open up the box, the great thing is you can see that it's packed very securely, so you don't have to worry about it being messed up in the delivery process. And one of the first things that you'll see is an information booklet. It's just a guide directing you to use the Raven cloud system. There's also a start guide, and that directs you in setting up your scanner and putting it together. But I'll show you that in this video, so just keep watching. So the scanner comes in very few parts, and once you take all of them out of the packaging, it's actually a really quick process putting everything together. There's a piece of paper that's in the scanner, just pull that. Be gentle with the process, but you can just pull it all the way up and it'll just come out gently. After that, you see that there's a button on the scanner. Just press that button, it'll open it up, and that'll allow you to add the second section. Look at the grooves in this section. You want to make sure that you properly feed it into the scanner. This will allow you to feed in multiple pieces of paper into your scanner. And on the back of the scanner, you have the buttons for switching the scanner off and on, and somewhere where you can put in the power plug. Once you switch on the scanner, the first thing that you see is an option for all the Wi-Fi available in your area. Once you find your Wi-Fi on the list, connect to it. You might see a few pages that ask you to update the software and download some new drivers. Just go through those steps. While they're all installing, you can go away for 2 or 3 minutes and come back and it'll be there. I'm actually really impressed with the touchscreen system. I know it's 2019 and touchscreen is just part of everyday life now, but so many devices that are not mobile phones still get it wrong. And it's just impressive that it's so smooth, you can just type your name, and the sign up process is so quick. When I saw the sign up option, I thought, here we go. I have to go onto their website and fill in my information, but I just did it all on the scanner and I had an account straight away. So when you see the sign up page, just sign up and add all your details. Once you have your scanner set up, you'll be greeted with the home screen. On the home screen, there are a few options. One of the first options is being able to change whether you're scanning in a double-sided document or single-sided document. So click into that and update your settings. One important thing is when you're feeding in the document, it has to go in upside down and it feeds in from the back. So if you have a set of documents that need to be scanned, the document at the very back will be the first one to go in, and then it'll follow that routine. There's also an option for choosing whether you want it to be scanned in color or you want it to be scanned in grayscale. And you also get to choose the resolution of your documents. So for resolution, I think 200 is fine. If it's a legal document, that's when you're looking at about 600. But I doubt that most people will be scanning legal documents. But if you do, it's a straightforward process. It's as good as your Wi-Fi. There's also a section to set your document's destination. One of the choices that you can make is using the Raven cloud system. I believe it's just like any other cloud system. Just go online, you'll be able to access all your files, and it will be something like using Dropbox or even using iCloud. Looking at the details, it looks like you're able to use unlimited data. As normal, you can send it directly by email, put it on a USB, or upload it to your other cloud storage providers. So that does include Dropbox and Google Cloud and the other applications that you can see listed here. For me, the easiest thing to do is send it directly to my email. I don't really need it to be stored in a cloud system right now. And once you've scanned in the documents, if you did put it in the wrong way, it's a really simple process. You click into it, you can rotate it, you can adjust it, you can reorder your set of scans. This scans multiple documents with double pages. You also have an option to select whether to combine each page or to separate all of them. And finally, there's an option for where you want to send the documents. And I just send it directly to my email. And it'll just let you know that the email's been sent, and you'll get the email roughly 30 seconds later. So that's the Raven original scanner. I'll leave links to the product in the comment section below, and let me know what you think. Did you find this video helpful? If you did find this video helpful, remember to subscribe to techloto, visit the Patreon page to support the channel, and don't forget to visit the website.